Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're tired of spending hours cleaning your floors, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving into the top 5 best robot vacuum and mop combos of 2025 that will totally change how you clean your home. These smart gadgets do all the work while you sit back and relax. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. And as always, you'll find links to all the featured products down in the description box. Let's get started. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the MBYULO Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, delivering a strong 5,000 PA suction with a powerful 26,500 RPM brushless motor, making it ideal for picking up pet hair without clogging, thanks to its roller brush-free design. It features a generous 650 milliliter combined capacity, a 300 milliliter electronic water tank, and 350 milliliter dustbin to clean more in one go, and it's Wi-Fi, Alexa, and app compatible for fully scheduled and remote cleaning. Slim, quiet, and efficient. It's perfect for homes with hard floors and pets. At number 4, the Eureka E20 Plus brings an impressive 8,000 PA suction and a bagless self-emptying station that lasts up to 45 days. It features Duo Detect AI with dual LiDAR navigation to avoid obstacles smartly, a V-shaped anti-hair tangling brush, and an auto-lifting mop that detects carpet to avoid accidental wetting. It's a powerhouse for multi-floor, pet-heavy households. Moving to number 3, meet the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra, a top-tier cleaning robot boasting 16,200 Pascal suction, an 8-in-1 self-cleaning base, and hot water mop washing and drying, ensuring pads stay mold-free and hygienic. Its flex-arm design and rounded square body reach deep into corners and tight spaces, while its Flexi Razor brush roll cuts hair 400 times per minute to reduce tangles by 99%. Ideal for homes demanding deep cleaning without the maintenance. At number 2, the Tapo RV20 Max Plus impresses with 5,300 Pascal suction and an ultra-slim 3.27-inch body that glides under furniture. It uses mesh grid navigation for no-miss spot coverage and adapts smartly by boosting suction on carpets and avoiding them during mopping. With a 3-liter auto-empty dock that stores up to 60 days of dirt and support for Alexa and Google Home, it offers a seamless cleaning experience. Finally, claiming the number 1 spot is the MAMNV Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, combining smart simplicity with performance. With 2,300 Pascal suction, a 2-level water control system, and a 2.87 inches slim body, it's excellent for cleaning tight spaces and hard floors like granite, tile, and laminate. It supports voice control via Google Assistant and app scheduling through Tuya Smart, and features 4 efficient cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag, the last of which boosts efficiency by 30%. It's lightweight, smart, and perfect for both tech beginners and elderly users.